Alright guys, playing top dollar, put $100 in, betting 10 bucks. Let's see if we can flip this 100. $30, let's go. Ooh. $5. Come on, top dollar. Here we go, guys. Oh, come on, top dollar. Oh, come on. Yes! Yes, I got it! Let's do it, y'all. Let's see, what does it say? Alright, y'all, I am not gonna take it. Let's try again. $100 credits. Hell yeah, let's take it, y'all. I put in 100, flipped it to 155 if I take it. Let's take it. Oh, oops. Oh my goodness, I messed up and look what I got, y'all. Let's see what it says. Take offer, hell yeah. Not messing up on this one, y'all. And we're back, 185, hell to the yeah. Let's do one backup spin.